Wait, what was that? You can't see my eyes? Well, today I'm going to show you how to avoid ring light reflection in glasses so that way your viewers can see your eyes and connect with you. Hey there, I'm Patricia Calicani, an Emmy Award winner showing you how to make amazing videos so your business makes more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to get rid of the glare in glasses from the ring light, I want you to imagine a clock. You're at the center of the clock, your camera is at 12 o'clock, and you'll want to place your ring light between 2 or 3 o'clock or 9 and 10 o'clock. So typically when you use a ring light, you place your ring light right at 12 o'clock where your camera is at. But this causes a huge distracting glare on your glasses. So instead, we need to move our ring light to the 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock position, but still leaving our camera or our phone at the 12 o'clock position. So this means you need a separate tripod for your phone. Yay, this is much better. You don't see a glare in my glasses. I clearly need to powder my face. I have super oily skin. Anyways, and now to get rid of the reflection from a desk ring light, here's how to do it. So to get rid of the ring light reflection in our glasses, simply move your ring light over to the side here. We're gonna put it at about 10 o'clock, and you can still see it right over there. So we're going to put our light up higher, basically above us and then angled down, and that takes care of it. Now for the links to all of the lights and the tripod, all the gear that I talk about in this video, you can get them in the description below. Okay, and another tip when wearing glasses on video is that the more you move your head around and angle it around, like the more glare and reflection you're gonna see on your glasses. But again, you also wanna be yourself. So once in a while, if you see glare in your glasses, I think it's okay. Like just be natural, be who you are. As long as the lights are in the right location and angle, then you're good to go. Now to film yourself professionally on a phone, then make sure and download my free guide and training video. You'll learn how to create a set in any location. No, you don't need an Instagrammable house. You'll also learn how to light yourself so you look better on video than in real life, and so much more. So just click the link in the description below. And if you're ready to level up your business with video, then you want to get my online course called The Map to Lucrative Videos. This is where I walk you through my MAP framework so you increase your income and impact with video. And it's so awesome. I love what my students have been able to accomplish. After taking this course, so many have been able to create their first online courses. They've been able to get on the national news because of their quality videos, and some of them have even tripled the number of customers. It is so awesome. You can learn more in the description below. Okay, as always, guys, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up, of course, if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. And to learn a simple hack on how to avoid glare on your glasses from a computer screen, be sure to watch the next video. Okay, I'll see you later.